Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make eggplant dip. This is one whole eggplant. I cut it in half. I added some salt to the pan and placed it in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. So let me start on the dip. And these are the ingredients that I will use in this dip. Okay. All right, let me get started. Okay, 1 tablespoon of parsley. I have dried parsley, but you can use the fresh if you have it. Okay. And I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze this 1 lemon in here. Okay, I can't find my juicer for some reason. Okay, I'll be squeezing with my hands. Okay, half a teaspoon of cumin. Okay, just putting a small amount of cayenne pepper in here, and that's up to you. That's optional. If you don't want to add it, you don't have to. I'm gonna use 3 garlic cloves because 2 of them are kind of small, so in the recipe it say 2, but I like garlic, so I'm gonna add 3. Okay. Some black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna add the tahini in here. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it well. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of tahini. Okay, that's it. On the top, the seal. I'm going to add the olive oil last. Olive oil, and that's it.